Yizzo, my people. Yizzo, my people. Listen, I was at work since 7 o'clock this morning, then get off until 11 o'clock tonight, 16 straight hours. I got to be back to work tomorrow at 3 o'clock. I got to hit the gym up in the morning. So I didn't tell you that. I'm just letting y'all know, like, this is my job. This is what I wanted to do. But I wanted to show y'all this real fast before NASA try to get this off of the screen. So before I go any further, man, woman, and child, heaven and earth, eternal light, each one reach one. This is how we grow. I see you, my brothers and sisters. So let's start with this right here. Let me get right into it. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so I'm gonna move this over. I want you see right here, 129, 129, 22, 16, 20, 16, 25 UTC time. So 13, 14, 15. This is around 4:30. Around 4:30. So look, I'm gonna rewind this. First of all, look at this. See that shadow right there? It came from this side to that side. But that's not what I want to show you. So I'm gonna rewind this. I want you to pay attention. I want you to pay attention right here. Now that's what the object that's moved. You see that just left? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. All right, let me start over. Let me fast forward. All right, I'm gonna pause it. I want you to pay attention right here in that corner. Fucking computer, man. Like, it's always something with this computer, man. Like, I have the slightest idea what's going on with this shit, man. For real. Like, it's always something, man. And I do everything like I'm supposed to do. It should just still be. But anyway. See, that shadow came down and then it turned this way. That object came down and it turned this way. Down and turned. But I want you to look at this right here. Pay attention right here in the northeast side of the sun. Did you see? Do you see it? You see that round sphere? You see that round sphere right there? You see it? That's a round sphere. That's not a coronal mass ejection. That is a round sphere that came off of the sun. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back. Look at the shadow. You see the shadow? Start over. You see how it moved off? First of all, when if it was a CME, it would blast off and go outwardly. It would go out that way. This actually broke off and came and it started to come down this way. It started to come down this way. Now, 120, this happened on the 29th. I'm going to do it again. You see that? I'm going to do it again. Listen, I'm not here to make anybody believe anything that I'm saying. It's not for me. I'm not here to do that. They're using the sun to charge up ships. The sun is a ball of energy. Water is one of the conductors that they use as well. But they use the sun to charge up their ships. They are attaching their ships to the sun. You seen that? You can tell the way that it moved off. Hold on. Let's go back. You see how that moved off? That was a perfect circular motion. Perfect circular motion that broke off from the sun. One more time. And then I'm going to go and show you how they actually hide this. I'm going to show you how they hide this. See, that came down and went to his left. Down and to the left. And then this came off the sun right afterwards. Followed right behind it. Whatever it was, it followed right behind this object. Whatever the object came down and then went to the left, it came off the sun right afterwards. Now, let me pause it so you can see for yourself. Now, remember the date. Remember the time down here. This is the date, 129. 129. And then, okay, it happened around 15. It happened around 15:17 UT time. UT time. All right. The perfect sphere right here. Now, watch this, my people. We're going to go over to where? No, we ain't gonna go there yet. We're gonna go. Here we go. We're gonna go to this is called this is Lasso. Now look at the date. Look at the date. 129-22, 130-22. Unavailable. You can't even click on this. They're not even giving you no You can't look because you know why? Because I would look. They don't even look. Hold up. 128-22, no images available. So the shit was popping up there in the sun. The shit been popping since the 28th. I mean, they must be huge objects up there. I told you they don't care anymore. I don't know why y'all think they care. They don't care. I told y'all this once before. I told y'all at the beginning of last year. I said they don't care. Judgment has already been laid down on this planet. Now it's just want to see who's going to wake up and who's not. Who remember their ancient ways and who don't. The judgment has already been laid down. So let me see on the 27th. See, let me slow this down. And I'm gonna slow it down. Because I want you to see what a coronal mass ejection. I mean, y'all should know what a coronal mass ejection. I've been showing y'all this for a while. So you should know. Let me see one come on. You see, this is an injection right here. Just spewing out right here. See, that's an injection right there. And that spear did not look like that. That came off the sun did not look like that ejection right there. Let me go. Pause. Previous. I'm going backwards. All right, here we go. Next. Just look to the left. A coronal mass ejection. Do you see that? Now tell me, did that spear did that ejection look like that? That's a burst of cosmic particles that just came off of the sun where the coronal hole's at. Now this is 127-22. Let's go back. 127, 128, no images available. 129, no images available. Even up to right now, 130, no images available. Why? I must got somebody attention. I must got somebody attention. And on top of that, I'm pointing y'all to you. So let's go over here right here. Let's go over to coronal mass ejections. Hold on. Before we go there, let me go over here. Where was it at? All right, we're gonna get back to that. Let's go over here. I want y'all to see something. Look at this. Oh, come on. You see this right here? Look at the long one. And then look, I'm gonna keep going. This is 129, by the way. It must have been popping. 129, by the way. It must have been popping up there the last few days. Hold on. Here we go. Boom. 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 Now, is that space debris? I want to ask other channels. I'm not going to say any names anymore. Is that space debris? You know how the volcano ash actually all of a sudden turning skies are purple and red? You know how the volcano ash, my people? You know, if you watch the videos, the volcano ash is turning skies purple and red. It don't have nothing to do with radiation. Extreme radiation. Don't have nothing to do with that. Tomorrow it's going to be about 15 degrees, 11 degrees here in Philly, but it's going to be sunny. I'm going to do the UV index and the UVC radiation. And I'm so sick of my people. Matter of fact, I'm not even sick of you no more. You do what you want to do. The heart machine, they're making it cold. Understand something. It's the negative energy on this planet that keeps it cold. You understand? There's children. I just got an Amber Alert today. Children are still being missing. Violence is still happening on the surface and beneath this planet. Even though it's being shut down so they can force everything to the surface and everyone can see who's been playing God on this planet. However, and you're telling me that the cold changes the intensity of the UV index? It doesn't. It can be -0 outside, or it can be 95 degrees outside. 95 degrees, your skin is just going to dry up faster. When it's -20 outside, you just feel a little bit more comfortable if you're a silicone base, if you're cold, if you like the cold. That's all it is. You just feel a little bit better while you absorb UVA, UVB, and UVC. That's the only thing. So this is 120. This is 129. So we go back over here. No information. 130, no information. 128, no images. No images. Why? Why is that? What are they hiding? So I'm going to go over here. Let's go over here. Hold on. I got to do my conversion, my people. I got to do my conversion because I want to make sure I get this right. Let me fact. This went up to solar velocity winds. Somebody, all they can do is search it up right now. They can Google 800 kilometers, 804 kilometers per second. And when you put 804 kilometers per second, convert that into miles per hour. I wonder how fast that is. All right, let me do this shit. 804 kilometers per second equals to how many miles per hour?
804 kilometers per
1.7 million miles per hour. That's how fast the solar winds are coming from the sun. 1.7 million miles per hour. That's how fast the solar winds are. The gamma radiation, UVA, UVB, whatever you want to call it. That's how fast it's coming. Now, look, they're giving you information here. This is the magnetopause right here. Earth is in the middle. The white side is the daytime side. The dark side is the nighttime side. What did I tell you? You see the square back here? Look at the points. You see this square? You can see it. However, what do you see? Don't you see it kind of wrapping? It's starting to wrap itself around Earth. If it's not already wrapped around Earth, you see it. The magnetic field line is acting completely whack. You see it? Front side pressure and nighttime pressure. This is like connecting. Both energies are connecting and literally wrapping itself around Earth, sending nothing but ionized particles. It is charging up Earth. You are charging up yourself. You are changing yourself, but it's up to you to match the change, what you're eating. So we go over to solar velocity winds. Here you go right here. From the one, they're barely turning right here, but this row right here, 1, 2, the second row right here, literally turning. So whatever's with us is right in our upper atmosphere, Everything is right up on Earth. Everything is right up on us, my people. Everything. Now you got the article the other day. I see people are talking about it with the you see. Listen, if you're feeling tired, I get sleepy spells all the time now. You know why you get sleepy spells? Let me tell y'all why people are feeling tired. The ionized particles are hitting your body. It is separating the electrons from around the atom, and the UVC radiation is penetrating. It's like if you lift weights. It's like when you lift weights and then you eat, you want to take a nap, you want to rest. So it's like you're lifting, like you're working out. Your body is working out consistently by absorbing these ionized particles consistently that is hitting Earth now. There is no more games that's being played. Now, let me show you how I know there's no more games being played. Hold on, let me go over here real fast. I got to show y'all the magnetic field lines. See the magnetic field lines breaking off? You see them? This is all low vibrational, and this is all low vibrational energy that is breaking off. This is gone. You appreciate the content. Hit the like button, my people. Come on, hit the like button. Come on, hit the like button. The like button doesn't cost you nothing, my brothers and sisters. Come on. If I'm not doing a good job, if I'm not feeding your soul, if I'm not telling you the truth, regardless of what race you are, then don't hit the like button. But if you're not going to hit the like button, why hit the play button? I'm confused by that. Obviously, there is a whole lot of truth in what I'm saying. I am actually telling you more than what other people are telling you. I'm not going to focus on Ukraine. I'm not going to focus on Russia, because let me explain something to you. Let me just let y'all know something right now. Europe already moved they move soldiers near Ukraine. Let me say this to you. Ukraine government is under control by the lizards. And so is Putin to a certain extent. He's just like, yo, you know what? Check this out. I'm going all out my way. I'm not going all out underneath someone's thumb. I had an opportunity to be here, so I'm gonna do it my way. Point blank and simple. But y'all not paying attention to China and Taiwan, and you're definitely not paying attention to Iran and Israel, because when that jump off over there, when it jump off in what Ukraine, best believe, I wouldn't be surprised if China and Taiwan and Israel and Iran don't jump off. Israel, the only reason why Israel is still over there on the map is because America is backing them up. Iran been wanting to wipe them out because they know they don't belong there. None of them belong there, to be honest with you. But Israel is a monster, though. They're a beast. They drop bombs on hospitals and schools with children. They don't care. It's sick, sad people. So again, Netanyahu, whatever his name is, they all done. Every last one of them is done. But I'm just going to let you know, I'm just giving you a heads up what I see that's unfolding. This is unfolding fast. So let me go over here real fast to show you why I believe, we're going to get back to this, why I believe this is the Schumann resonance, this is that. Let me go over here real fast. Here we go. This is the X-ray go flux. This is the X-ray flux, CMEs and coronal mass ejections. I want you to look at the see this bull crap right here. I want you to look right here. 29th, right? No information. We didn't get any information regarding them CMEs that's coming off the sun or images since the 28th, since the 27th, and then the 28th it was a no-go. But look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Hold on, I missed one right here. This is 17. And look, 18. This is an M flare. Whoa, that's an M flare. That's an M flare. Yes, oh. The sun said, take that. Get them CMEs. So this is how much particles that are consistently hitting our planet right now. And let me just tell you this. It doesn't match up right here with the Schumann resonance either. Even though it's a consistent frequency that's coming here, look, it's a consistent frequency. Don't get it twisted. But if you want to ask me, this should be showing a lot more white than just the dark green. This should be, and you can look in here and you can start to see a little bit of white. You can see the whiteness, but it should be a whole lot more white than the green that we're looking at. Especially when you can come over here and you can look at all of these. These are all coronal mass ejections. These are all ionized particles consistently. This is how many C class, and it was 1 M class, almost 2, 1 here, almost 2. So now we go over to the aviation. Now this right here is going to detect the proton particles that are hitting Earth. They hit the ionosphere, which supposedly protects you from gamma radiation. Now, if you look at where this hit at, it hit between it looked like it hit between Australia and Asia, or Indonesia. Australia and Indonesia. Now I want to speed it up, son. Look, look, proton flux. This is masculine energy. Protons are masculine energy. Masculine energy does the job. Women, y'all don't do nothing violent. You tell the man to take care of his business and he take care of it with the knowledge of you, though. You give him the knowledge and the power. With knowledge come power. So if you look, boom, look right here. Mirror X-ray flux. Elevated X-ray flux. You can see right over here. When you see this increase right here, lets you know the protons that are hitting the Earth. Ionized particles. And this came straight. This is Australia right here. Look at that. Wow. It went from Australia. So it went from Australia over to between almost South Africa. But none of this is showing up. None of this is showing up here. Hold on. And you can't see it here. You can't see the injection that you can't see the coronal mass ejection that came off the sun. You can't see it. Why is that? So let's go over the LASCO C3. I'm gonna go over to this real fast for over the last 48 hours, and let's see. You still see these two objects that are sitting here on the left hand side and the right hand side. I would say that's the blue and red Kachina. You see that CME? That's how a CME looks when it comes off of the sun. It looks just like that when it comes. We're gonna go back. Let me rewind this back. I want you to look at this. This is on the east side of the sun. See, that's what a coronal mass ejection. One came out on the east side and the west side. And that was a big one right here on the east side. See, that looked like that's a coronal mass ejection. I can go with that. But a perfect sphere, a circular perfect sphere that's coming off of the sun, no, that's not what I'm going with at all. And while you're on here, give me a second. Hold the fuck up. Look at the date right here. Look at 129-1706, right? Why don't it show? Wait a minute. Got you. Here you go. Right here. Let's go look at this date again. Let's go look at this one more time. 129-16-25, right? Hold on. Why didn't it show this right here on the northeast side of the sun? Why didn't it show that on the lasso? Why didn't it show that on that instrument? Why didn't it show this right here? Look at the time, 15:17. So let's go back. I want to check that out. Let me check this out again. Let's go back to 15. Let's look. Look, it fucking didn't show it. Why wouldn't it show it? Why wouldn't it show it? Hold up. Come on, man. Come on with the dumb shit. Come on with the dumb shit. You would see it. That's not it. That came out of North Sea. And look, 129. Look at the time. That's 23:54. 23:54. That happened at 15:16, 3:30 in the afternoon. This is 23:54 on the 29th, people. Let's go back to the 15. Look. Matter of fact, it looked like it skipped time. Wait a minute. It looked like it skipped, nigga. It looked like it skipped time. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Damn, did it just... Hold on, man. Hold the fuck up. Hold the fuck up. Yeah. Even if it didn't miss skip any time, it's still 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17. It still didn't show that at 15. It still didn't show that. So why? Why didn't it? Why didn't it show it? Why didn't it show that? This is why I tell y'all, listen, this shit is coming to a complete end. There's your object. There's your object right there. There's your object, a perfect sphere right there. That's your object right there that was attached to the sun, but it was other ones that were attached to it as well. Hold on. Here you go. These objects are moving across it. These objects are moving. Hello? All right, as soon as I'm done on this live, I'm gonna call you right back. All right. Objects. And then you're gonna see a couple of them come this way. Look, 129. The sky was active. It was so active. I guess they didn't want me to look at this shit. You can see all in the background. Look at this. Look at them. Another one right here. Another one. Is this space debris? Hold up. Is this space debris? Right here. Another one here. Got you. Hold on. Planetary K index right here. Reach all the way up to a 4 with these CMEs. This is off too. This should be up in the red. This should be up in the 5s. Should be up in the 5s. This is not even factual information, my people. It's not even factual information. So I don't even want to continue to go into that. I don't even want to continue to show that. You can see that it's lying. This is lying. And anybody that study these instruments, you know good and damn well they are lying. But they're giving you parts and bits of the information. They just not showing you all of it. This is what I like about it. I respect them. They're just not giving you all of it. They're just not giving you all. They're giving you bits and pieces of it, but they're not giving you all of it. I respect that. You have to do the research for yourself. You got to see it with your own eyes. All right, my people. Listen, I value y'all. I sincerely do. This doesn't cost you nothing. Please hit the like button, my people. Hit the like button. Tomorrow I'm going to search up, I'm going to do the UV index reading, UVC reading, Tomorrow, I'm going to show you no matter what the temperature is outside, it doesn't make a difference. The cold just makes it feel good to them as they go out there and absorb that radiation. But the sun is bright. The sun is going to be even bright in Philly. You're going to see it is bright white, and it's affecting everyone on this planet. That's unnatural. And not only that, it's affecting us for not taking care of our vessels the way that we should be taking care of our vessels. I value my people. I sincerely do. I want y'all all to have an amazing cosmic night as our vessels rest. May we meet up in the cosmos and do the electric slide and speed up the process to remove all darkness off this planet. Remember, man, woman, and child, heaven and earth, eternal light. Each one reach one. This is how we grow. I see you, my brothers and sisters. Protect yourself at all times with knowledge, sunlight, chlorophyll, distilled water, and 3D human free. Doesn't cost you anything to hit the like button, my people. You appreciate the content. Grab an I Am Not Black shirt, Sunblood shirt. If you really appreciate the content, anything you cash at me, I greatly appreciate it. It goes back into us. Y'all all have a great, amazing night. One